Last year, when I worked with a brand, I shared the content strategy and content ideas with the brand owner. However, one of her requirements was to not show her face on camera. So I recommended a few video ideas that would not involve her showing her face. Hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a social media manager and UGC creator. In this video, I'll be sharing 7 Instagram Reels and TikTok ideas for small business owners that don't require you to show your face on camera. And no dancing either. So whether you have just launched your business or you are in business for some time, you know that videos are taking the front stage when it comes to content marketing and increasing brand awareness. Videos can be more effective than simply describing your products or services in words. They allow brands to build a deeper connection with their audience by making it easier to show their values and personality of the brand or the people behind the brand. This all contributes to the increase of brand awareness. There are several ways that business owners can use Instagram Reels or TikTok without showing their faces. First video idea is create product demonstrations. Showcase your products in action by creating instructional videos. This will give your customers a sense of how your products work and what they can expect from them. Second video idea, share behind the scenes content. Give your followers a glimpse into your day-to-day workings of your business by sharing behind the scenes footage. This can include your team in action, footage of your production process, or shots of your office or store. A third content idea, share user-generated content. Encourage your customers to create and share their own videos featuring your products or services. This can be a great way to build a sense of community around your products or services and also get valuable insights into how your customers use your products. However, if you have just launched your products, chances are you will not have organic user-generated content, but I can help you there. I'm a UGC creator, which means I create UGC videos for brands to use on their socials, emails, websites, and ads. If you want to see some examples of my work, you can go to my website. The link to my website is in the description. The fourth content idea is to leverage animations and illustrations. You could take it up a notch and create a fun animated representation of your business or product. This is a great way to communicate your messaging in a different and memorable way. Here is an example of how you can do that. Go to Canva and create a reel template. In the left bar, go to Pexels and search for a royalty-free video. Drag and drop it to the blank page. Then take a screenshot of a tweet or text you wrote and add it on top. And you're done. You created a reel without showing your face. The fifth content idea is show off your location. If you have a physical location, consider using Reels or TikTok to give customers a virtual tour. Show the different sections of your store and products that you offer. Another video idea is to partner with influencers. Partner with popular TikTok or Reels creators in your industry or niche. You can ask them to create content showing your products or services. And the last video idea is to use the text-to-speech feature on TikTok while going through your products. You could create videos showing your products in action or the process to make them while sharing a story with the text-to-speech feature. Your followers could remember it easier if you convey your message in a creative way. Ultimately, the key to success on Reels and TikTok is to be creative and think outside the box. These are just 7 ways to use these platforms to promote your business without showing your face. Also, you shouldn't feel guilty if you don't want to show your face in videos. There can be a few reasons why business owners don't want to show their face in videos. One reason may be privacy concerns. Some business owners may not want to make themselves publicly recognizable, especially if they have other businesses or personal ventures they want to keep separate. Another reason is that the business owner may want the focus to be on their business and not on themselves. They might believe that the personal touch can be built by the brand and message instead of a person. Additionally, some business owners may not feel comfortable in front of the camera or may not want to be seen as the public face of the company. In any case, the decision to show or not show their face on camera is a personal and a strategic one, and depends on the company, the message they want to deliver, and the intended audience. So these are just a few ideas that you can use to create faceless videos for your business. I really hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to learn how to make a social media strategy in 5 easy steps, click on this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!